This is Europeland Toolbox's video tutorial 2, Data. Let's check the data layers of the Europeland Toolbox version 1.6. Let's take a closer look at the data features, starting with the Layers panel. From here, users can activate datasets from Copernicus, the EEA, and the NUTS administrative regions. We'll begin with the NUTS regions, which include levels 0, 1, 2, and 3, representing Europe's administrative hierarchy. Selecting NUTS. Level 0 displays all top-level administrative units, essentially the countries of Europe. As you move to levels 1 and 2, the toolbox automatically zooms out to the full European extent. At any NUTS level, you can interact with individual regions. For example, selecting Reggio di Calabria shows detailed percentages of its current land cover categories. You can export this information as a PDF, and the layers you've activated will appear in a list for easy access. You may turn layers on or off at any time and keep only the ones you need. You can do that in the upper right corner of the toolbox. We will, from now on, call the Layer Manager. Previously open layers remain available in the same list, so you do not need to reload them from the main menu. Now let's explore the EEA layers. These include datasets such as flood-prone areas. If a layer comes with a legend, the legend is displayed on the lower right corner of the toolbox. Please note that minor loading delays may occur as the data is fetched from the Copernicus and EEA servers. If you want to examine the flood hazard probabilities for a specific NUTS 3 region, simply zoom into your area of interest and activate the corresponding flood layer. You can hide or show any layers you prefer, and all recently used layers remain available for convenience. Let's also look at the elevation dataset from the EEA. After the click, you may experience a short delay while the layer loads. Once visible, the elevation can be combined with any other dataset. Keep in mind, the order in which layers appear on the map corresponds to the order in which they were activated. For example, if you activated the elevation breakdown after the flood layer, the elevation will appear on top. If you hide it, the flood layer underneath becomes visible again. Next, let's explore the Copernicus datasets. One of the most important datasets is the land cover series. The 1990 layer has limited zoom visibility due to its technical characteristics and is displayed only at certain zoom levels. The more recent land cover layers, 2000, 2006, 2012, and 2018 exhibit better zoom level visualization features. All activated layers appear in your layer list, allowing you to compare, for example, 2000 versus 2018 simply by toggling the upper layer on and off. You can toggle between various legends in the respective legend area by selecting another legend to appear. You may need to do this if a large legend like the Corine ones conceal layers in the layer manager if you have added a lot of them. So you can just select a small legend to be able to access the lower layer checkboxes. By clicking the main category button, you can collapse or expand the underlying list of datasets. Let's add the imperviousness layer 2009-2018 and the tree cover density layer 2018 and the grassland 2018 layer. You can activate or deactivate any layer individually, keeping only what you need visible. Bear in mind that some layers are transparent, while others are not, and completely overlay on the lower level ones. Let's focus on the 2018 land cover and impervious density layers. Impervious density is partially transparent, allowing the background to remain visible. Even if it's displayed above the land cover layer, you can simply hide the land cover layer to reveal the interaction between the two. Some zoom level behavior and minor delays are normal because the data is retrieved directly from third-party servers, like the EEA or Copernicus. By combining layer order, visibility toggles, and zoom controls, you can perform basic spatial or even temporal inspections quickly and efficiently using the toolbox.